OpenAI introduced a long-form question-answering AI called ChatGPT that answers complex questions conversationally. It's a revolutionary technology because it's trained to learn what humans mean when they ask a question. Many users are awed at its ability to provide human-quality responses, inspiring the feeling that it may eventually have the power to disrupt how humans interact with computers and change how information is retrieved. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI based on GPT 3.5. It has a remarkable ability to interact in conversational dialogue form and provide responses that can appear surprisingly human. Large language models perform the task of predicting the next word in a series of words. Reinforcement learning with human feedback, or RLHF, is an additional layer of training that uses human feedback to help ChatGPT learn the ability to follow directions and generate responses that are satisfactory to humans. Who built ChatGPT? ChatGPT was created by San Francisco-based artificial intelligence company OpenAI. OpenAI Incorporated is the nonprofit parent company of the for-profit OpenAI LP. OpenAI is famous for its well-known DALL-E, a deep learning model that generates images from text instructions called prompts. The CEO is Sam Altman, who previously was president of Y Combinator. Large language models. ChatGPT is a large language model, or LLM. Large language models, or LLMs, are trained with massive amounts of data to accurately predict what word comes next in a sentence. It was discovered that increasing the amount of data increased the ability of the language models to do more. LLMs predict the next word in a series of words in a sentence, and the next sentences, kind of like autocomplete, but at a mind-bending scale. What are the limitations of ChatGPT? Limitations on toxic response. ChatGPT is specifically programmed not to provide toxic or harmful responses, so it will avoid answering those kind of questions. Quality of answers depends on quality of directions. An important limitation of ChatGPT is that the quality of the output depends on the quality of the input. In other words, expert directions or prompts generate better answers. This ability allows them to write paragraphs and entire pages of content. But LLMs are limited in that they don't always understand exactly what a human wants. And that's where ChatGPT improves on state-of-the-art with the aforementioned reinforcement learning with human feedback training. How was ChatGPT trained? GPT 3.5 was trained on massive amounts of data about code and information from the internet, including sources like Reddit discussions, to help ChatGPT learn dialogue and attain a human style of responding. ChatGPT was also trained using human feedback, a technique called reinforcement learning with human feedback, so that the AI learned what humans expected when they asked a question. Training the LLM this way is revolutionary because it goes beyond simply training the LLM to predict the next word. The engineers who built ChatGPT hired contractors, called labelers, to rate the outputs of the two systems, GPT-3 and the new InstructGPT, a sibling model of ChatGPT. The research paper concludes that the results for InstructGPT were positive. Still, it also noted that there was room for improvement. Quote, "Overall, our results indicate that fine-tuning large language models using human preferences significantly improves their behavior on a wide range of tasks, though much work remains to be done to improve their safety and reliability." What sets ChatGPT apart from a simple chatbot is that it was specifically trained to understand the human intent in a question and provide helpful, truthful, and harmless answers. Because of that training, ChatGPT may challenge certain questions and discard parts of the question that don't make sense. Another research paper related to ChatGPT shows how they trained the AI to predict what humans preferred. The researchers noticed that the metrics used to rate the outputs of natural language processing AI resulted in machines that scored well on the metrics, but didn't align with what humans expected. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and enable post alerts to view more of our future videos. after saying that, keep watching our videos, and I'll speak with you in the next one.